Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Rekanik. I'm Shamim, your cikgu Katia. Alright, so let's try another shape, say a trapezium. So we go under the profile toolbar and we select the profile command. And now we just gonna click at 4 points to resemble a trapezium. I'm just gonna click right here, somewhere here, another one here, and the last one here. So notice the top and the bottom line is not horizontally constrained. So now we're gonna click at the constraint command and then select this slanted line and then the left one, and now we right click and select allow symmetry line and we select the vertical axis. When we drag the right line like so, notice only the angle of the lines are symmetric, but the endpoints are not. So at this stage, there are two ways to make this trapezium symmetric respect to the vertical axis. So the first one is by allow symmetry line for each of the corresponding endpoints. The second one would be creating horizontal constraints for each of the top and bottom line. So let's select the constraint command under constraint toolbar, and then we select the top line, right click, and now we select horizontal, and same goes to the bottom line, right click and horizontal. So now both of those lines will be horizontally constrained, and this causes the endpoints of the slanted lines to be symmetric to each other. So there you have it. But what if the trapezium is not symmetric with respect to the origin axis? So let's say if there's a line like this. Now I'm just gonna highlight this line back and then select under sketch tool toolbar this icon construction / standard element, so it will change this line to a construction line. So next I'm just gonna select the profile icon and then we're gonna draw another trapezium. So when I click at the first point and then try to make the second point for the first line, notice there's an auto constraint recommendation pop up, which is the perpendicular constraints. So we can use that to make sure the top and the bottom line of the trapezium will be perpendicular with respect to the construction line. So next we're gonna fix the angle of the construction line using the angle constraint. So we're gonna select the line and then select the horizontal axis. I'm just gonna type it 60 degrees. So next I'm gonna allow symmetry line for the slanted line of the trapezium. And I'm gonna respect it to the construction line. So now when we move the slanted line, notice all of this trapezium is symmetric with respect to the construction line. So there you have it. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Rekanik. Assalamualaikum and see you next time.